Hey guys, Nick motherfucking Deal back, and in today's video I present to you guys a new series I'm going to be doing. It's called motor vlogging, motorcycle tutorials. Yeah, I've been riding for probably about almost a year and a half, 2 years now, and I've definitely progressed from the beginning. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial today on how to never stall the bike again. And it's very simple, very easy, what I'm going to get into. And you'll always use it. So yeah. But yeah, I haven't been on here in a while. I got a job now, so they kind of, conflict with that. I can't, get on here as much anymore. So I'm sorry about that, guys. So I'm going to try to start uploading again and upload more of these videos. I just bought a GoPro Hero 9 Black, and the image quality, audio, video quality might be a little fuzzy, and I'm trying to figure everything out. But so yeah, this is my first video with it that I'm going to be uploading to YouTube. So just bear with me, guys, as I figure out the best settings for what I'm doing and what my computer and camera can handle. If you got any tips, just leave them in the comments below. But let's not waste any more time, and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first step you guys want to do is find a big wide open parking lot. It can be, I'm at my church, a local church just down the road about 5 miles from my house. So I wanted to go to my old school that I went to school, but they didn't have, people were there, and I'm kind of embarrassed, and I don't want to, people to see me, they're probably like, what am I doing? So right here, I'm just letting out of the clutch very easy. The key to this is to find your friction zone. Each friction zone is different on every bike, so you're just trying to find the friction zone. So I'm barely letting out of the clutch at all. And here in a few seconds I'm going to show you a trick after this. So just play with this a little bit, let out of the clutch very easily. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm letting out of the clutch very easily. And just letting the bike go. The key is to let out easy. You let out too fast, you're going to stall it every time. I struggled with it when I first started learning how to ride about a year and a half or two ago, like I said. I kept stalling the bike, and different bikes have, motorcycles I should say, have different torque levels. Some might have more torque, others may have less. And by the way, this is a Honda CBR 300R, so it's a beginner bike, and I'm eventually going to upgrade to a new bike. You can see with this right here, all I'm doing is applying a little bit of a gas and letting out of the clutch. When you apply a little bit of gas, and I mean a little bit, you don't want to rear back on the throttle, but just to the revs, about 2,000, maybe even 3,000 revs, so you're not barely even halfway much throttle, and it allows the revs to get up, and you'll never stall it doing that way. That's how I do it, but if you guys are just starting to learn, it just takes time to really play with it, and so yeah. In a little bit I'm going to show you guys some clips on how I use it when I'm riding. Alright guys, so first clip, I got gas, I'm leaving a gas station, and as you see, I let out of the throttle. It almost seemed like it was going to stall, but it didn't, and that means I did it right because I let out of the clutch slowly, so that's why I didn't stall. If I let out too fast, it would have stalled in a minute. So now I'm just waiting on this truck, and as you guys seen, you heard I applied gas and then let out of the clutch. every time you apply gas, it gets the revs going and you'll never stall it again. Alright guys, so the next clip I am at the side of my house getting ready for a ride. And I'm just going to look over my shoulder, make sure no cars are coming. And as you guys seen, I applied some throttle and let out the clutch slowly. And as you guys seen, it didn't stall, so that just proves that that method works every time. Alright guys, finally the last and final clip I have for you. I'm approaching a stop sign. I stop, I pull up a little bit because the trees are kind of hard to see in the cars. But you guys will see here in a second here. I add throttle, I put throttle, let out the clutch slow, and it didn't stall out. So, yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, leave me a comment down below, like and subscribe please. But yeah, if you add, do it when you're ready. Find your friction zone. Very, very important when riding a motorcycle. Each friction zone is different on each bike, and so when you're ready, you can start adding a little bit of throttle and let out the clutch. But until you're ready, just let out the clutch very slow. And so yeah. But anyway, guys, ride safe out there, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.